All right, so we just got the KitchenAid cordless hand mixer with 7 speeds. Let's unbox it and see what it looks like. All right, so you got your information. You got your things that you mix up your stuff with. Notice that one has this thing on it. That's got to come in handy later. Let's put all this stuff over here. This is the main body of it. Let's pull her out. Oh yeah, look at that. Check it out, KitchenAid. So these, what tells you on here, look. See how it's got the little thing there? So this one would go on this side like that. You have to kind of push them in. Oh, here we go. So anyway, this here comes with this cord, and I believe that we plug it in right up here on the top of it, like that. And then we got to plug it in and it charges. So we got to do that, right? So there's the setup. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this in right there. And I don't know if it has a light on it or not. Let's look. Oh yeah, so it's showing us that it's got a red light. We need to see that turn green, I think, or go off. So we'll just let it sit there and it'll charge up, and we'll try it. Right now we're using this Black & Decker, but this is the one that we're going to use later if we can get it working. And she's made, what are you making, honey?
A vegan chocolate cheesecake.
And what's in it? I don't think they can hear you. All right, anyway, there she goes. Oh boy, we got a green light. This baby is ready to mix. It is ready to mix. And it's pretty simple to use, right? You've got this button here that knocks those two things out. If you press that, those things will fall out of the machine. And then if you want it to go, just push this up. I think. I could be wrong. I may have to unplug it. Maybe that's the deal. Okay, so now I can push this. You see? There they go. Watch. See that? That's full speed right there. And that's off. So as soon as you turn it on, it goes green. Bam. And then if you're good with it and you did your thing, all I do is press this button and watch. I'm pressing it. Oh, hang on. There we go. It's hard to press. Or maybe I'm just weak. I don't know. All right, over here we got some crackling going on. Right here we got some chopping. And we'll try this in a little bit. Now the key thing is you don't want to lose this. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Put that somewhere where you're going to be able to find it. So otherwise, this thing's useless. Right, so I'm just going to stick it right in here. That way we'll know exactly where it's at. Right in our junk drawer. All right. And you might want to wash these before you use them first. But there it is, ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.